Hi, my name's Darren from the Rapid Repair Network. We understand that minor vehicle damages such as bumper scuffs, scratches and dents can be a real pain. You want to avoid making an insurance claim, so it's down to you to find a repairer. Then, when you do find a repairer, there's a chance of these responses. Sorry, we're booked up. We don't have coverage in that area, or the damage is too excessive for us to repair. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, don't worry. The Rapid Repair Network is designed to solve these concerns. Our network has been created with both convenience and cost in mind. We have over 300 industry-accredited mobile repair rigs and rapid repair centres across the UK. So wherever you're located, we have coverage. Repairs are completed on the day, and if you're using our mobile repair service, we travel to you. Also, the advantage of being a network allows us to expand the acceptance of damage severity. From a bumper scuff to multiple panel damage, we can help. The entire repair process is controlled by us, from initial contact, obtaining a quote, making the booking, through to repair completion, all seamlessly and professionally managed with you, the customer, as our primary focus. We're geared up to manage multiple repair deployment, and our service is tailored to assist fleets, accident management companies, in fact, anyone that run vehicles. So, if you're looking for a cost-focused solution for minor damage repairs anywhere in the UK, look no further than the Rapid Repair Network, and we look forward to demonstrating how we can support you with your repair requirements.